Sacchital is an Italian industrial company with a long history in flexible packaging. We always worked with a clear objective, to combine performance, quality and respect for the environment. For us, sustainability is not a slogan, but a real industrial journey that must be competitive, measurable and ready to grow. We have seen a clear change in the market. Brands need agility, more variants, less time to market and truly recyclable solutions. With this in mind, paper is increasingly perceived as a credible, responsible substrate familiar to consumers. But to make this transition possible, we need the right technology. We have been looking at digital printing for some time, but previously there was no solution suitable for the industrial scale flexible packaging. We needed three fundamental things: real productivity, sustainable water-based inks, and print quality that meets brands' expectations. Until today, we don't find a solution that had all three. When we met Screen and tested the PAC 520p digital press and their European demo center, we immediately understood this was something different. We carried out real tests on functional papers with specific requirements. The results: speed up to 80 meters per minute, using food-safe water-based inks, and consistent print quality. At that point, the question was no longer if, but when to adopt digital. We decide now is the time to invest, because we believe that is the right moment to lead the market, not follow. The Screen PAC 520p allows us to change the conversation with brands. No plates or cylinders means less waste. 48-hour delivery instead of weeks. The business model changes. Faster, flexible, future-ready. We print only what is needed when it's needed. This is digital flexibility for sustainability. This technology is perfect for the new generation, digital native, curious and adaptable. Operating the Screen digital press is easy, intuitive and clean. Innovation like this are what drives our sector towards a future of packaging focused on people. I deeply believe in one concept: competitive sustainability. Sustainability only works when it's accessible and profitable. Digital inkjet printing on paper is one more tool toward this goal. This is a digital flexibility for sustainability success.
When designing the Truepress PAC 520p, Screen wanted to bring digital inkjet printing to paper-based packaging to give brands total flexibility and agility to achieve their sustainability goals. This highly engineered Japanese technology is already set to revolutionize flexible paper packaging, but we needed a converter capable of bringing it to market. In Sacchital, we found exactly the type of partner that we were looking for to show the market how reliable our water-based inkjet digital printing technology really is. Sacchital is a well-structured company, industrially solid, and at the same time a visionary, with a real desire to lead the market in innovation. It is also a very credible authority in sustainability, not only in good intentions, but in results delivered.
Being pioneers means taking responsibility, but that is how we build the future of packaging, and we are building this future now.